today we are going to see what are the different way how to read the data from different source file. It may be data may be stored in CSV file, maybe stored in JSON file, maybe Excel file and all. So what are the different file format and how we have to read the data present in different file format. So for that, a Panda is provided a predefined functions. Okay, so we can load different files in Panda. Whenever we are loading the files, then Panda return a data frame that we have already discussed in previous class as well. Once after data frame is created, then based on requirement and based upon the requirement, we can apply several operations. For example, I have to read a CSV file. Then I have to write pg.read_CSV and I have to give the fully qualified path name of that file where it is present. Maybe it is D drive, E drive, wherever it is present, maybe desktop. I have to give the fully qualified path. Similarly, for example, I have to read the data from a JSON file. Then instead of writing the read_CSV, I have to write read_JSON. So it will be PT stand for alias name of pandas. So pt.read_JSON and to keep the file path where it is present. Similarly, if to read from an Excel file, then I have to give read_Excel. Even to read from any TSV file or table, then read_table. Let's say I'm loading the data from a MongoDB, then loading table collection from the different MongoDB I have to give. Web scraping also, by using web scraping methodology, we can extract the data from different web pages. Fine. Load CSV file. We can load CSV file in Panda by using read_CSV, file path, file name and path we need to give it. Okay. For example, sales.csv. It's a file present, maybe D drive or E drive, whatever. If I have to create a data frame on top of the file, then I have to write pt.read_CSV and I have to give the file name with path. Okay, as I'm running this notebook from the same path, that's why I'm not writing the path name. Just file name is more than sufficient, more than enough. That's why I'm writing only sales1.csv file. And I'm printing the print data. Okay, then it's giving the data. Similarly, if I to load a JSON file, read_JSON, you can see instead of just CSV file, I'm writing sales1.json file. Here read_JSON. Okay, just clearly also. Okay, here read_CSV is present. I'm reading from a CSV file. Here I'm reading from a JSON file. That's why instead of a read_CSV, I'm writing a read_JSON. Okay, fine. Similarly, how to load from an Excel file. Okay, to work with Excel file, I have to install a third-party library that is pip install XLAD. Okay, that is to deal with Excel file. Okay, then I can read by using read_Excel. Otherwise, you will show me error if I will not install this pip install Excel. Okay, you can see after installation, if I will read XLS file, just one.XLS file, I can read by using read_Excel. Now, load a tab separated file that is TSV file. So I'm writing read_tab file and path. Okay, so this is TSV file, tab separated value. TSV stands for comma separated value. Similarly, TSV stands for tab separated value. And I'm reading by using read_table. Okay, this is the predefined method given by the pandas. Right? Now, load MongoDB table. For that, I have to install a third-party software called pip install, third-party library called pip install PyMongo. Then, if I have to read from MongoDB, then I have to use that. I have to import a client called Mongo client from PyMongo. Then I have to use that. I have to create an object of that MongoDB client by giving my username and hostname. Then I have to make the connection with the database. Then I can get the data by fetching the data by using collection.py. I can fetch all the data. Fine, you can see this is a MongoDB and how I am, getting all my data. Similarly, by using web scraping methodology, I can extract the data from any web page. So, for example, my web page link is Wikipedia. So I want to read the data from that Wikipedia. So I'm writing read underscore HTML, I'm passing that URL, and I'm passing in the index number 2, whatever value present, just print it. So I'm printing. To run below command, I have to write pip install Google News, pip install newspaper 3K. Okay. For example, there is a Google News, okay, page is there, and I want to even in the news article also. For example, I want to read the data from there. Then I have to install these two, third-party library. Okay. Then only I have to use from Google News, import Google News, from newspaper, import article, and import pandas and PD. Then I have to use that, and I can see all the news present in this output. Run it, guys. Install these two libraries, run the below program, you will be able to see this beautiful, output. Okay, fine. That's all about how to load the data from different source system, different file format, including web scraping, including database, including any of the file format like CSV file, JSON file, Excel file, and or TSV file. And all. Okay, that's all about, guys, loading the data from different source system by using pandas. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box so that I will give immediate reply. Okay, to get latest video and all, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications regarding the latest. Thank you so much.